Hi, Steve here with Space Rubber Ducky Designs, and this is how I made a drying rack for my cutting boards, using scraps that I had laying around. I started by borrowing some runners off of my son's bed. These are about 2 inches wide. I'm going to need 4 pieces, 2 that are 10.5 inches long, and another 2 that are 13 inches long. And just like that, they're cut. Yesterday, my dog found this dowel while we were on a walk. I cut it into 6 pieces, 6 inches in length. I'm not sure why I sanded everything. It's not like anyone's going to see this. Now we'll have to cut some cross-lap joints. I think that's what they're called. I started by measuring 1 inch from each end, and then using one of the pieces as a guide to mark out the width of the joint. Do this for all 4 pieces. Since I'll need to see where to cut, I used a rafter square to transfer the lines to one edge. I like to raise my table saw blade just over halfway to make sure the cut isn't too shallow. I only want to do this once. All 4 pieces should end up like this. It's time to find a home for the dowels. I grabbed the 13-inch long pieces and marked out holes at 4 inches, 6.5 inches, and 9 inches. I want clean holes for my dowels, so I'm using a Forstner bit, but you could also use a standard drill bit. Make sure you don't drill all the way through. We only want to go halfway. Since I can't drill a straight hole, I'll finish this up with the drill press. Ignore those bonus holes. I'm going to add a drop of super glue in the bottom of each hole. This will keep the dowels in place while the wood glue dries. A little accelerator to speed things up. And now we can snap this thing together. Sweet. This works great as a drying rack after oiling up new cutting boards. If you tend to make a few boards at the same time, you can expand it to fit your needs. Here's a longer one that I made from 1x2 furring strips. The best part about this rack is that it stores flat and out of the way, keeping your workspace nice and tidy. Bingo! I hope this video gave you some ideas, and thanks for watching.